Yum, 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 yum. Good day, everybody. My name is Brandon Bishop. Welcome to I'm Going to Eat You. Oh, I'm going to eat you. Today, we kick off our journey to taste test. Is that what we're doing here? I'll say endure all 24 military MREs. We're not going to do them all at once. No, we're going to do one at a time. Otherwise, I would die. There's a lot of calories in there. There's a lot of sodium in these things. There's a lot of everything in these things. And we're going to show you everything that's in these things. Starting off with menu item number one. Menu number one, chili with beans. Thank goodness I am a single man. Don't hang out with me after I do these MREs. These things, I was in the Army for a very long time. I've consumed many of these. And they do things to you, okay? Some of them are excellent. Some of them are just really, really fun. I love MREs. That's why I'm starting off this whole series doing the military MREs. Now, we're going to trinkle little things in between the MREs. As you can see, I have a wall of about 100 different meals from all kinds of different companies, freeze-dried companies, MRE companies, all kinds of different foods for campers and nomads and van lifers, and you get it, right? Yeah, you get it. But these are a lot of fun, so I figured we'd start off having a little fun and eating some MREs, which stands for Meals Ready to Eat. This is an individual meal. This is not an all-day thing, though you could probably, with the calorie content of these, last all day, maybe a few days, just eating one of these. So let's crack this thing open, show you what's in it, and I'm gonna eat you. All right, here we go. Pretty simple to open. Nice little Mylar bag. Good bag. Might want to keep these for something. I don't know. Maybe make them, if you're one of those hardcore military people, you could stick it at the chimney for Christmas time with care. Make sure you hang it by the chimney with care. What do we got? Oh, look at this. I don't know what these are. I've never seen these before. Pepperoni, pizza, cheese, crackers. Now, these could be like Cheetos. These could be combos. Guess we're going to find out. These are always good. Oh, this is cornbread. We got some chili and cornbread happening here on I'm Going to Eat You. And yes, I'm definitely going to eat that. What do we have here? Cheese spread. Not my favorite cheese spread. When you're in the Army and you see jalapeno cheese spread, you have had a good day. The epic spoon. The MRE spoons. The big brown solid spoon. Takes a lot to break this thing, trust me. And you can sharpen down the edges and defend yourself if need be. This right here is actually an oven. What you do is you pour a little bit of water right to these lines here, and it triggers the chemicals in here, gives off a horrible smell, and then you stick your main dish, which is chili and beans. This whole thing is full of chili. This whole Mylar pack. This is a lot. This is a lot of chili and beans. But what you do is you stick it in here with the water. It'll heat up. And then you shove it in your little pocket right here. And this will give you all the nutritional information. It's supposed to be a pocket. There we go. Give you all the nutritional information. I don't even want to talk about it. Let's see. 1 pouch. Got 10 grams of fat, 8 grams of saturated fat, 70 milligrams of cholesterol, 730 milligrams of sodium, 29 carbs, and not a lot of fiber, and 4 grams of sugar. So here's the thing with these MREs. They're made to last. These things are 5 to 10 year shelf life deals. Some say 25 years. I would say safely 5 to 10 years. These right here are about 2 years old. There's a secret code on the side of the boxes that you'll have to learn, but there is some stuff in here that I can't pronounce, and I don't like to eat things that I can't pronounce. So you're looking at, all these big words right here. Those are just chemicals and things to keep it going for a very, very, very long time. Crack-ass crackers right here. Perfect. I am a cracker who enjoys a cracker. And of course, you get your grape. This is grape. This is a good one, actually. Grape beverage powder drink. And 90 calories in this. Probably a ton of sugar. Yeah, 22 grams of sugar. It's basically, Kool-Aid is what it is. And you have a little, if you want to drink out of this, you can. You can pour the water in here. This is your condiment package right here. What is in this? Let me show you. First of all, you've got napkins, which are also sometimes used as toilet paper. Oh, Willow just flies right out of it. They call this toilet paper, but if you can wipe your ass with this much toilet paper, you are a better person than I am. Look at that. I guess, if you have to, you're in the middle of a war, you're in the field, you're taking a dump, and there's no toilet paper around. First of all, your supply people are terrible. Get your soldiers some damn toilet paper. We've got in here all kinds of stuff, man. All kinds of fun stuff. Of course, you got your little chiclets right here. You got some salt right there. You got some sugar. A moist, say it with me, moist towelette. You've got, I think that's fake sugar, 0-calorie sweetener. You've got some coffee. We're going to make this as well. And you've got some coffee creamer. All right, fresh from the microwave. Chili and beans, United States of America, Military MRE, menu number 1. I'm going to try to get a little cheese in on here. A little cheese in there, and this is what I'm looking forward to right here. Are you kidding me? Chili and cornbread. Chili cheese and cornbread. That looks good. I can't wait. I'm actually very hungry right now, so. Oh, it's got some spice. That's got some good spice. I could actually use a little more, but that's really good. Oops, making a mess. Oh yeah. That is a good MRE. I never had the chili and beans. I never really wanted it, but I've been that way with a few things. I know there's an Italian sausage one. I was like, oh, I don't want that stuff. And then it ended up being really, really, really good. So get creative when you're playing around with your MREs. Put some combos in your chili, whatever. That's kind of the fun thing to do with these is you just get to be creative and make mixtures. Mix the cheese in there. Get some crackers. Try the chili on a cracker. Not as good as the cornbread, but not bad. This chili's really good. Now it's as good as, I'll say, something in a can. Tastes a lot like Hormel, to be honest with you, but it's not bad at all. I mean, I'd be happy to have this. Oh yeah. Have you ever got like knockoff Gatorade? What is it, Powerade or something like that? And you're like, that's kind of this. It's got some flavor. Again, if you're in the middle of the field and you're sweating it out, whether it's a field exercise or actual war, and you have this in your canteen, you're gonna be happy about it. Yeah, that's not bad. It's not good sitting in the comfort of my home. If I paid for that, I'd be like, well, I kind of did pay for that. I bought the MREs, but you know what I'm saying. If you go to a restaurant and you're like, yeah, I'll take a blue drink, and they bring you that, you're going to be like, what is that? But this chili and this cornbread together with the cheese in there, and I just put combos in there. Mix everything up. Make a big goulash out of it. That is... that's worth having again, to be honest with you. That's fantastic. There's no dessert on menu number 1, chili with beans. Is the chiclet the dessert? That's not a very good dessert. There's a little pack of gum that comes with all of them. There's no dessert. Wow. All of these normally have like a dessert with it. It's a sweet cornbread. I don't know. I mean, combos, crackers are not dessert. So I will be doing one of these episodes with a different meal, a different freeze-dried meal, a different MRE, whatever it is, every single week. let's say every single Wednesday. Does that sound good to you? Can you give me 10 minutes of your time every single Wednesday? I'm going to try to keep these short. And then every Monday and Friday, you can watch the Brandon Bishop Vanlife show, which is just life. It's everything else. We're launching a bunch of businesses right now. And by the time you watch this, actually, in a couple weeks, I'll be on the road again, and we'll be doing We'll be doing more adventures all across the land and living in a van. Lots and lots and lots of fun. And I also own a television network called Asai TV. We have some huge news with that really soon. We're hooking up. We are partnering. We're not hooking up with them. I don't think so. Maybe. We are partnering with Uscreen, which is one of the biggest streaming television network platforms in all of the land. So looking forward to that. And on the next episode, we have another big announcement that I've made elsewhere, but it pertains to stuff like this. And I think you're going to be pretty happy about it because we are going to be feeding you real soon. Okay. See you next time. I'm going to take one last bite. One last bite. I kind of hope they're not all this good because I got to film a few of these in a day, to get ahead of the curve. If I do, I can't eat this much of it all. I will be in big trouble. Last bite. I can feel it coming. Oh, yeah. Watch out, everybody. The neighbors are going to hear me just as bad.